Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah.
Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest is a secondary school for boys and started to operate as a school from September 2011. Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest is founded on the inspiration and guidance given by Allama Sahib Qibla Fultali Rahimahullah to educate the young British Muslims. He influenced the parents and established the very first Islamic educational institution in London in 1978. His dream was to continue and spread this mission throughout the Northwest. Alhamdulillah, this was successful through the inspiration and efforts from the community.
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद सिलसिलाए फुलतली
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Alhamdulillah, since 2011 we established Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest. So far we had 4 GCSE cohorts and all of our students, they achieved very good results in their GCSEs, and currently some of them are studying at local universities in secular education, and some of them they went to abroad. For example, at the moment some of our students studying at Darul Mustafa University in Yemen. Inshallah they will come back as Islamic scholars and they will help our community to practice the deen in the best manner. At Darul Hadis Latifiah we have highly qualified, dedicated team, those who are working hard to give the best possible knowledge to our youngsters so that they can shape their life in such a beautiful way that they grow up as a helpful mind, and they can flourish in the community and they can have a better life here and hereafter. We would like to inform you that in Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest we have some other services for our youngsters. We have evening madrasa, which is called Latifiah Evening Madrasa. We have Tahfizul Quran Madrasa for the people, those who are interested to make their children hafiz. And also we have weekend alim courses, and we are expecting within a couple of years we'll have alim alima from our school, inshallah. And we need continuous support from our community, because our aim is to establish a complete madrasa where they can be graduated in Islamic theologies. Again, I would like to express my gratitude to the community, those who worked hard behind the curtain to make this institution a success. Jazakumullah khair.
যাত্রা আল্লাহ কবুল করে নাও তুমি, করো ঠিকানা আমাদের ওই মদিনার পাক ভূমি। আমাদের এই যাত্রা আল্লাহ কবুল করে নাও তুমি, করো ঠিকানা আমাদের ওই মদিনার পাক ভূমি। সালামতে রেখো আল্লাহ, সালামতে রেখো আল্লাহ এই কাফেলার প্রাণগুলি।
Currently, we have 68 students at Key Stage 3 and 4. Since opening the school, 4 groups of students have completed their GCSEs and moved on to higher education in secular and Islamic studies. Some of the students have begun the second year university, whilst others have gone abroad in pursuit of advanced studies in Islamic sciences.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sahib and I'm a student at Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest. I'm currently in year 11 and I'm preparing for my GCSEs, which are soon to come. I came to Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest in year 8 after spending a year at North Cheddarton School. The transition from North Cheddarton School to Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest was overwhelming. However, the students and teachers made me feel like I was at home. I also came here for the Islamic aspects, such as learning the importance of reading the Quran and learning why it is important to be honest at all times. However, when I saw on the website that Ofsted rated the school good, it was a big pull factor in my decision. Going to Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest has changed me as a person. I now read all of my daily prayers and I use each Islamic lesson to improve my understanding of Islam and try to implement that in my daily life. The teachers here are really supportive and will help you succeed throughout your time in the school. For example, multiple teachers stay behind every day and do extra lessons with the Year 11 pupils to make them feel more confident before the big exams. Teachers also help out classes who are taking part in enterprise, which is where students sell things, preferably food, to the rest of the school. The money made from the enterprise is used to improve the school's facilities, so it's the best place for your child to learn. I have benefited from the continuous support from all the teachers, especially from Mr. Ahmed, who is the head of maths. I am very grateful for him for my improvement in maths. Overall, the relationship between the students and teachers gives everyone a sense of belonging.
Further away from you, ooh, Allah, you brought me home. I thank you with every breath I take.
The aim of the curriculum is to give all peoples a broad, balanced and relevant education with an Islamic framework. This will be achieved through a structured learning experience matched to the personal development and abilities of each individual.
Assalamu alaikum. Nahmaduhu wa nasalli ala Rasulil Kareem. My name is Abdur Rahman and I am currently studying biology, chemistry, maths and psychology in Oldham 6th form. And inshallah I am aspiring to study medicine in the not so far future. Alhamdulillah, I have recently completed my GCSEs and was the highest achiever in Darul Hadis. And alhamdulillah, I am very fortunate to have been a part of Darul Hadis. I could have achieved these similar results in any other state school. However, going to this Islamic school has allowed me to shape my life in such a way to allow me to understand and learn Islam a lot better. This school has also allowed me to complete Darul Qiraat and I am now a fully qualified Qari.
Being far from you, Alhamdulillah.
Our vision is to achieve excellence in all that we do. In doing so, we aim to prepare our peoples for the rapidly growing world in the 21st century. We aim for the highest level of achievement in religious, cultural, social, spiritual, moral and academic performance by providing opportunities for peoples to reach their full potential.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hasnain Shafiq and I was a student at Darul Hadis Latifiah for 5 years. Darul Hadis gave me the opportunity to study under very experienced and friendly teachers who supported the personal, educational and religious growth of all of their students. It had, and I believe that it still has, a warm and Islamic environment which is necessary for the progress and success of its students at GCSE level. The success of the school speaks for itself, and I strongly encourage all parents to support the school, whether it be financial support or simply sending your children here to study. Jazakallah.
All my years I've been lost.
The school has been inspected by Ofsted twice since their opening and has achieved great good both times. Alhamdulillah, this was a huge achievement given the scrutiny and regulations schools face during these observations. The school can expect further inspections and will aim for the highest possible grading. This can only be achieved with the support and guidance from the community.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah,
Assalamu alaikum. Nahmadu wa nasalli ala Rasulil Kareem. My name is Darul Rahman and I am currently in my second year of studies at the Manchester Metropolitan University studying computer science. Alhamdulillah, I had the opportunity of attending Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest for my secondary school where I achieved excellent GCSEs and I learned very essential knowledge about Islam. Thanks to the helpful teachers there, I was able to achieve the grades that I did and they helped to better myself both as a Muslim and as a person. I think the knowledge that I learned there has been essential and has been vital for me both going forward, and I've already seen some of the benefits, such as I passed an extensive Qiraat course which has allowed me to teach the Quran itself now.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahimia. I am currently studying human biology and infectious diseases at the University of Salford. Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest has molded me to become a better person and rescued me from being involved in many bad practices which my former friends were involved in. Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest has given me many opportunities, such as becoming a qualified Qari and teaching part-time in Latifia evening madrasa. I hope the community can take advantage and send their children here or support this branch in whichever way they can. Jazakallah for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Inshallah, inshallah, you'll find your way. Inshallah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Majar Ali. My son Abu Bakr attended Darul Hadis Latifiah from year 7 to 11. He has achieved his GCSEs in this school. He has passed 8 subjects, including Arabic. He is currently studying in Yemen, University of Darul Mustafa. My dream was to send my son to an Islamic school. Then I found Darul Hadis Latifiah, looked at their curriculum, which was broad and balanced. If you send your children to Darul Hadis Latifiah, they can actually study further in universities or Islamic line. I would recommend every parent to send their children in Darul Hadis Latifiah. They do full-time school Islamically and evening classes, as well as summer courses, Darul Qirat. And I also have my second son who's attending there, who's inshallah is going to be a Qari next year. So I would ask everyone to make dua for my children.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. I'm going to talk about my son, who is currently studying at Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest since year 9. Before that, he used to go to KD Grambar, Manchester, which was very difficult for him to travel every day from 6 a.m. till 7 p.m. And I decided to enroll my son at Darul Hadis Latifiah since year 9, and now alhamdulillah he is in year 11. He will be doing GCSE, and alhamdulillah, with the help of the team, the entire team of the Darul Hadis Latifiah, all the teachers and the staff, they're putting together all the efforts to make the school successful and to make the students achieve as high as possible. And I'm really happy and pleased with the progress and performance of my son, alhamdulillah. And this is a reflection of his spiritual, moral and academic development and growth. I expect him to achieve as high as possible at GCSE, and also I ask all the parents to pray for my son and all his classmates to do well in GCSE, inshallah.
For the service of the community and to maximize the potential of the school facilities, the premises are utilized in running an after-school evening madrasa with hifz classes and part-time weekend alim-alima program. The evening madrasa currently administers over 100 students, alongside hifz classes in which 25 students memorize the Holy Quran. In addition to this, the current Alim-Alima program known as Heaven's Route has been running since 2013. We are hoping and expecting our first group of scholars to graduate with honours in Islamic theology by 2021. There is also the Qiraat course over the summer holidays running since 2012, where over 200 students were enrolled in the summer of 2018.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we are happy to inform you in regards to our Heaven's Route course, which has been running from 2013, alhamdulillah. And inshallah, in the next few years, next coming 2-3 years, we'll have Alim-Alima graduate and becoming our scholars. Inshallah, will benefit our community. Alhamdulillah, all the subjects that need to be taught in Alim-Alima courses, like tafsir, like fiqh, like usul al-hadith, usul al-fiqh, and other sciences, alhamdulillah, is being taught in this course. And we've got qualified teachers such as Maulana Mufti Shahjan Mahmoud, and our head teacher Maulana Salman Ahmed Chaudhry Ultali, and our teacher Maulana Bilaluddin, and myself as well, alhamdulillah. We've been teaching here. May Allah accept everyone's efforts and endeavor, and we encourage everyone all the families, all the elders and the guardians especially, to send their children to come and benefit from this course and this initiative, so that inshallah we can produce more alima which can benefit inshallah our communities in the future.
জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ সিলসিলায়ে ফুলতলি।
Darul Hadis Latifiah Northwest not only runs the secondary school but also organizes many other mahfils and programs throughout the year. In 2012, with the support of the community, we organized one of the biggest Islamic conferences Oldham has ever witnessed. Like this, we plan to organize many more events in the future for our community.
প্রাচীর প্রস্তুত আছে লাখো প্রাণ, সে পথ ধরে চলতে জানি আসবে অনেক ঝড় তুফান, সব বাতিলের ভাঙতে প্রাচীর প্রস্তুত আছে লাখো প্রাণ। ওই সবুজ মিনারের টানে, ওই সবুজ মিনারের টানে সুন্নিয়তের পাল তুলি। জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ সিলসিলায়ে ফুল।